What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am sitting in a 2025 Chevy TRAILBOSS 2500. This is a blue truck. It looks really nice, but this is a past customer. We actually have done this truck once before, and to be completely honest, I don't remember if I put this in a video or not, but it is a right now the truck is sitting on 37 1250/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on the stock 20-inch Chevy wheels, and it has currently, we put these in before, it was a Cognito Comfort Ride torsion bars and Suspension Max torsion keys. This truck is clearing the tires, except for it does rub a little bit on the sway bar, as you guys know it does, and I'm sure that could be one of the reasons why he's in here today. He's getting a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with all the bells and whistles with it. Really excited about it. We're doing Fox shocks, reservoir shocks, the 2.0s, and we're doing 1.5-inch wheel spacers on the factory wheels to get them up off the spindle that the McGaughys lift is going to put on there. It interferes really bad with the stock wheels, so we had to do the spacers anyways. This truck's going to be really cool. It's going to be on stocks and 37s with spacers on a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out right now and show you what the truck looks like. All right, here she is, 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 TRAILBOSS. This truck is currently leveled on 37 1250/20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. On the Silverados, you don't have to trim anything on the body like you do on the GMC, so we haven't actually trimmed this truck at all. I don't think that we will have to trim very much on it after we're done with this 9-inch lift, but those 1.5-inch wheel spacers, they do so much to the stance of the truck, and they look a lot better and all that, but they do take away from the fitment, so we will end up having to trim, I think, a little bit, maybe still, hopefully not. This is the first time I think we've done this exact setup on a 9-inch McGaughys, so learning curve for us, but I feel confident in it. I love the black trim on the front of these TRAILBOSS trucks with the red hooks. I think it looks really nice. I guess I've said it before in the past. If this was my truck, I'd probably black those hooks out in the front. I think that the truck would look just more sleek with all black on it, but that's just a personal opinion. I do like this blue color a lot. My first truck was blue. I had it for a long time. It was a Z71 Silverado, so, you know, special place in my heart for those trucks. I do like the new headlight. You know, a lot of the Silverados still come with the older headlight on the front end because of the trim of the truck. So that new headlight, I say new, it came out a few years ago, but I really do like the way it looks. Can't wait to get this one going though. That McGaughys lift kit always looks great in the front. Stay tuned for the process. On this very cold Monday in Georgia, it's like 20 degrees outside. We have our Chevy TRAILBOSS 2500 ready to go. It's a 2025. This truck is that blue color, looks so good with now the McGaughys 9-inch lift kit on it with the Fox reservoir shocks. The truck is phenomenal. The factory wheels look good on here with the spacers. I'm about to flip the camera around and show you what we ended up with. Let me know what you think in the comments. Here's our beautiful big blue Silverado. This thing looks awesome. Very, very high, very nice stance to it. There wasn't a whole bunch of cutting on this truck. We got to keep the mud flap on here, which is amazing. He could definitely go a little bit bigger with the tire if he wants to cut a little bit. The Fox reservoir shocks right here look amazing. We did the McGaughys upper control arm right here. It has those stainless steel faceplates on top. Looks really, really good. The McGaughys kit comes with the strut tensioner braces right here already. You can add the traction bars back there in the back if you want. They're really just for looks, but the kit functions the same without the traction bars. It looks really good. That torsion bar drop bracket right there looks really nice from McGaughys. The centerpiece of their lift kit though is the front cross member, which is right here. It looks phenomenal. We're setting at 9 inches on this one, so the axle angle right here at 9 inches is great. McGaughys is really a nice lift kit. I tell everybody this. I got 3 big companies that I deal with the most: McGaughys, BDS, and Cognito. I like FTS as well, but I don't do as much of their stuff anymore because really it's the chrome cross member everybody was chasing back then that they're not chasing anymore. The truck looks amazing right here. I like the way it turned out. I'm going to put a price for this job after this clip. If you guys have any questions though, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching. So you just watched this whole entire video of us putting that 9-inch lift on with the 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers on the factory wheels. The customer, Kyle, called me back from South Carolina this morning because the video was filmed yesterday. We're about to post it today on Tuesday. He called and ordered some 24x14 KG1 wheels and some 37-inch Toyos. So in about a month, we'll be doing a to be continued part 2 video to this truck. So stay tuned for that. Keep an eye out for it.